Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this lovely 2021 Audi Q7. This is a Premium Plus 55 that features an awesome turbocharged V6 pumping out 335 horsepower. This thing is a mid-size crossover SUV with third row seating, about 0 to 60 in 5 seconds, athletic handling. It's also very fun to drive. So obviously, you know, if you're looking for a sports car or a sporty car, a crossover SUV is probably not your first choice, especially a mid-size one. But this can scratch that itch. This can provide you with entertaining driving dynamics, 0 to 60 in 5 seconds at sports car territory. And when the road gets curvy, I almost said hervy, you'll be rewarded by amazing handling. We have the original build sheet on this one. It's a clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary copy of this build sheet available on our website. This has the executive package that is $3,800, giving you ventilated front seats with 4-way power lumbar, 4-zone automatic climate control, Audi adaptive cruise assist with active lane assist, heated rear seats, sunshade for rear doors, side windows and tailgate, and extended leather package. Then we have the Premium Plus package that is $3,000, bundling in the convenience package, 20-inch wheels with all season run flat tires. You get an amazing sounding Band and Olufsen 3D premium sound system and illuminated door sills. Then on top of that, we have the 21-inch upgraded wheels, 21-inch Audi Sport 5 double spoke modular design wheels. This also has a towing package, $750. Audi beam rings, so it will beam down ambient light from the doors. Looks cool at nighttime on the ground, giving you the Audi logo. Original MSRP was $71,130. Really is a beautiful vehicle. We do really well with these at Infiniti of Tacoma on the pre-owned side. A lot of people like mid-sized luxury SUVs, especially of growing families, and the Q7 is a very popular choice. Nice big panoramic roof to allow lots of natural light inside. It opens. We'll leave it closed so I don't have any, it's windy today, I don't want any foliage falling in the car. Then we have a power sunshade to dim things down, but since we're in a nice shady spot underneath this big evergreen tree, we'll leave that sunshade open. Beautiful perforated leather seats, beautiful display. So you have a top display for the navigation, parking camera. This has a 360-degree around view monitor, great for low-speed maneuvering. Look at this, it's almost like there's a drone flying around the vehicle, giving you a view of the vehicle. Pretty cool. Then the bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for operating the climate control system, heated and ventilated front seats, 4-zone climate control. You have a drive mode selector here. That'll make changes to the way the transmission shifts. I think throttle sensitivity and steering effort as well. Depending on the different driving you're looking for. Dynamic is generally the sportier drive setting in Audis. So they have you can individualize it, or you have 4 presets. And then we have a completely digital gauge cluster. We call this the Audi Virtual Cockpit. So it's configurable. You can pull up and pick and choose different information to show up there. You can make the gauges bigger or smaller. Really nice. Lovely wood trim. We have a memory seat for the driver. Great sounding Bang & Olufsen sound system. Really nice color combination on black. The Q7 is an eye-catching vehicle. Really nice styling. Audi does a great job styling all their vehicles. They all follow the same design theme, which isn't a bad thing. It's a typical understated German styling. Works really well for the Q7. There's a fantastic V6, 335 horsepower, turbocharged, enough to rocket this to 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivered to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. We can put this in our car hauler, or we can tow it to us over a mobile delivery service. This beautiful Q7 can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood or your driveway. Lots of space in the second row. We have integrated sunshades. We have a nice spacious third row seating as well, making this an excellent family vehicle as well as a luxury vehicle. Power rear liftgate. Of course, we have the tow package. Have some all-season mats. The second and third row seats fold fairly flat. We have these buttons right here so you can kind of manually fold them down, but we do have to remove the headrest or put them down to get the seats to fold down all the way. There we go. All in all, one beautiful example of a 2021 Audi Q7. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.